Hook up. To have a casual romantic or physical connection with someone. Example: Mike and Lisa hooked up at the party, but it was just a one-time thing. Make out. To kiss passionately. Example: They were making out in the back row of the movie theater. Stick with. To stay with someone or be loyal. Example: Even through tough times, she stuck with him. Let on. To make someone believe you're interested when you're not. Example: She thought he liked her, but he was just leading her on. Flirt with. To behave playfully to attract someone romantically. Example: He keeps flirting with his co-worker, but I don't think is serious. Fall for. To start having romantic feelings for someone. Example: He didn't expect it, but he fell for his best friend. Mess around. To casually date or be unfaithful. Example: I don't want a serious relationship. I just want to mess around. Ask out. To invite someone on a date. Example: After weeks of talking, he finally asked her out. Put up with. To tolerate someone's bad behavior. Example: She puts up with his bad habits because she loves him. Hit it off. To have an instant connection with someone. Example: They met at a cafe and hit it off immediately.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.